Hello, I just wanted to stop by and say hello, but also let you know what is going to be in the bag that you're going to be picking up for your child today. So hopefully you're able to come by and say hello later, but also more importantly, pick up their large bag of items that they will need to be successful in learning at home. A lot of things in this bag are the same things that they would have here in the classroom, and things that they wouldn't necessarily have had to bring back and forth, but being virtual, here we go, we're sending them all home so that they can still do what we need to do. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some of the things. So you'll be getting their textbook. This is a hardback Journeys textbook. This will need to come back to school with them when that happens, but for now, they will need that at home. We have a ton of workbooks here. We have our math workbook. We have a couple of different reading, we have 4 different reading workbooks that will be coming home for them, and a big one for social studies. They'll be working on this through their library time, but they will still need this. You will also be receiving an art packet, a whiteboard. I didn't have any expo markers to send home, so hopefully you were able to get some of those. Everyone got a random color composition book just to start the year. I was calling these copybooks, but whatever you got, and that's fantastic. I just wanted to make sure you had one of these at home in case you hadn't gotten out to get the supplies yet. So the color won't matter. I know I sent out colors that will be for different subjects when we return, but the one that I sent home is just a random color. I think they're all the rainbow colors, so it's one of those. You also have your DLRs, which we'll be working on, and a folder. Inside this folder, there are papers for mom and dad on one side, and then there are a bunch of math workbook pages and some crossword puzzles and a couple other things for the students. So they're going to want this folder to be somewhere they can access it when we start learning, but there are also a couple of papers that are important for you in there that I wanted to make sure you knew about. The last thing in that bag is a little surprise bag that I am asking them to not open yet. We're gonna open it the first day all together during our morning meeting. So just having it around, I know it's tempting, it's very exciting, but please have them hold off on opening this at least until the morning of their very first day if they can't absolutely wait until 9 a.m. But I just wanted them to have that as well. So those are some of the things you should have in your bag. You might have a couple of other things and odds and ends in there as well from other area teachers, but that is the gist of it. I hope I get to see you in a little bit, but if not, make sure you contact the office and they will set up an alternate time for you to come by for your bag. You want to contact Betsy in the office. Any questions, let me know. Hopefully all these materials are in your child's bag. If not, reach out and we will figure out how to remedy that. All right, see you soon.